this is the financial statement that we predicted for the innovation. We'll be getting £12 million from Nokia in the first couple of years. And we believe that the price of our product of the mobile phone will reduce over a period of time. In the first year, we're targeting 265 units at £550. Second year, we'll be selling 402 units at £475 each, and 365 units in third year at £400. In fourth year, we'll be selling 322 units at £350 each, and in fifth year, we'll be selling 214 units at £300 each. We believe that in 2016, which would be us entering the maturity stage, we'll be making profits, and the profit will be carried over to the next year, and from then on, we will be repowering our profits back into the business. This is the breakdown of the break-even analysis. The stage where we break even, the units we will be selling is 265 units at £550 each for each mobile phone. We believe that there will be 159 rental units at £50 each. And the income from the accessories, which is the extra income that we'll be getting, would be £19.90 each for 109 units. This is the analysis that shows this is the graph that indicates the movement of our profits. We believe that we're making the highest profit at the maturity stage, and over the period of time, when we're very close to the fifth year, we'll be making a loss, or probably very close to making a loss. But before we start making a loss, we believe that we would have invented a new innovation by then. Thank you very much.
Thank you.